Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Today I am making shrimp scampi. This was super delicious. So let's get started. So first off, you want to make sure that your shrimps are cleaned, and then we'll get started on frying these up. So I'm starting off with 1 tablespoon of butter, and you want to let that melt on your pan. And you want to put in about 2 cloves of minced garlic, and if you want to add some more, please definitely do so. And now I'm adding in about 2 tablespoons of white wine, and you want to let it simmer for a bit just so that the alcohol just evaporates from this dish. Now, after letting it simmer, I'm adding in about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. While everything is simmering, in another pot, I am adding in water and my spaghetti and let that cook. And now I added in my shrimp in that buttery wine, lemony sauce, and you want to let that really cook. Add in about 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes and add in some salt, and then I added in about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Add in 1 tablespoon of dry parsley, and now you want to mix it all up together. And now, as you can see, that the shrimp did dry out, and the way to fix that actually is putting in about 1 cup of that pasta water that we're boiling there, and then it makes this sauce or this shrimp scampi a little bit more saucier. Add in as much as you like. Honestly, I like mine a little bit saucy, and then you can add that right in on your spaghetti and it tastes super delicious. So let's check that out here. And also at the end, I am adding in about 1/2 tablespoon of lemon zest. And now, as you can see, I'm adding in grated cheese. This is definitely optional. For me, I love cheese on every pasta dish that I make. So this is definitely going to be cheesy, garlicky, herby, whatever you want to call it, I guess. And this is my final recipe. This was super delicious and super simple to make. And again, if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.